Good afternoon. Thank you so much, Monica, for that introduction. And wait for later before you send in your questions. And actually, feel free to unmute. I'd love to interact with you. So please feel free to unmute. And yeah. Um, Actually, I want to know what the backgrounds are of our participants today. Could you send in the chat box? So I would also know and be able to gauge how to interact with you guys. The lessons you are going to learn today is going to help you in your field, or if you're planning to shift in your actually have a degree in mathematics, and also I have pending thesis units for my master's of science and statistics in UP, and yeah, that's my short educational background, just in case you're wondering. And okay, I hope we're all settled in, and I would like to begin my short lecture. 5 hours lang naman, short lang yun, di ba? Okay, so, right. So we are tackling on experimental design and analysis. This is module 1, an introduction to experimental design. So wala pang analysis dito. And our learning objectives for this part, this is actually the first part of 2, is for you to understand what experimental design is, or design of experiments, that's DOE, and also to be able to explain process models for DOE and enumerate the purpose of experimental design. Top of your head, what's a really simple experiment have you done in your life? Work or not work related, it's okay. Anyone? Okay, baka masyadong mahaba kaya wala pa nare-receive sa chat box, but I think we all went through the okay, method validation. This is really fancy. And finite element analysis. This is for engineering, I guess. Survey research. Okay. So actually, I will not go very far now. I believe now we all went through high school or grade school, and we did, most of us probably did the experiment on Mongo mung beans, diba? Yung Mongo. Have you tried that? You had to hide one in the box and then expose one outside in the sunlight. So that's
I think it's pretty
a
much
really, really,
common.
really simple experiment. And that in so because we have went through that, I would like to believe na even if merong sigurong high school or senior high school attendees dito, you could still relate on what experiments are. Also, have you heard? Okay, have you heard of association is not causation? Does not imply causation.
Yes.
Uh, okay, so for example, no, an ice cream store during summer, their sales increases every summer. And at the same time, during summer, tumataas yung cases of drowning. Beach or pool, tumataas yung data in this. You can imagine no, na kung kailan tumataas yung sales, tumataas din yung incidence of drowning. And with that, actually, we can say na they are associated. But does one of them cause the other? Kapag ba tumaas yung sales ng ice ba, maraming nalulunod, tumataas. For some reasons, tumataas din. Or like, that being the reason, bumibili ba ng ice cream yung mga tao? Definitely no. So, association does not imply causation. Before, kahit correlated yung an analysis. With experimental design and analysis,